In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Thanksgiving napkin rings, so let's get started. And what you're going to need is these mini foam pumpkins about 1 inch, some wooden rings, they're usually used for macrame, some ribbon, I'm using satin 1.5 inch, matte paint, and the color of your choice, a paintbrush, scissors, hot glue gun, and a square napkin. So you're going to start by detaching each mini pumpkin from the stem and begin to paint using a paint color of your choice. I prefer a neutral matte color so that they can be used every year, and the pumpkins usually need about 2 coats due to the foam material. And next you're going to create a bow with the ribbon by weaving it in between your fingers. Creating a double bow gives it a little bit of added charm, and using this method is the perfect size for the wood rings. And if you don't know how to create a bow with your fingers, there's lots of tutorials on YouTube that you can find that show you how to do this. After the bow is created, we're going to use a generous size amount of hot glue to the bottom of the bow and attach it to the wood ring. This creates a base for the pumpkin to sit on. Once the bow is attached, we're going to add a second pea-sized portion of hot glue to the bottom of the pumpkin and attach that to the ring. And lastly, just fold a square napkin and slide the finished napkin ring down. Now it's ready to show off during your holiday parties. If you found this video helpful, please share with a friend and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!